Alright guys, you remember those 3 Carrier comfort air conditioners? Well, they did a complete redo. They're still here, but now this 2014 3-ton is now on this side, as it was right here. So yeah, it's got an LG scroll. It's not been running. 15's here. And here's another one. It's like a new Copeland scroll compressor. It's from 2013. It's a 2-ton 13 seer. Not been running. And then here's this. Got a newer Emerson Copeland scroll compressor. Oh yeah, that's ice cold and sweaty. And now there's a New York heat pump. I did see it has an LG scroll in it as well, and it's from 2023. It's a 5-ton 410, and you can see the golden reversing valve, and this has not been running either. Line. And then there are those 2 Bryant Quantum Plus units. The post office. I'm not gonna go in there even though it's unlocked. I don't want to get caught. So anyway, thank you for watching. Out.